are on day number 2 of week 30. We're gonna go ahead and get started with green time. And today, we're gonna play a game with Mr. Lion. Can you guys say hi to Mr. Lion? Hello, kids! Hi! Oh, that's so nice. Okay, you guys, so Mr. Lion wants to tell you everything he remembers and knows about the letters of the alphabet. Look at all these letters behind me. All those letters that have pictures are the letters that we have learned the sounds of together. Some sounds you learned with me, and some sounds you learned with Miss Indica. Whoa! So many sounds and so many letters. Some cards aren't turned over, like the Y, the Q, and the U. We haven't learned the sounds of those letters yet, but we will. You guys, thank you for learning the letters with us. We are so excited. Today, Mr. Lion wants to tell you what he knows and remembers about the letters. It's very important that you remember everything you can about the letters that you learn, okay? Try very hard not to forget it, because these letters and these sounds will help you learn how to read one day. You got it. Okay, let's get started with the game. Mr. Lion's gonna tell you, I need your help with this one. If you can listen very carefully, just in case Mr. Lion messes up, we can help him. We can just let him know the right way, okay? All right, are you ready, Mr. Lion?
Yes!
All right, we are ready to listen. Tell us what you know.
All right! I am so excited to tell you what I've learned about all the letters. I know that the red letters are very, very special. We call those letters vowels. And vowels are special. Oh, I know that the letter B makes this sound. Yes, yes. Oh, and I know that the letter M makes this sound.
Mr. Lion, so far so good.
Oh, and I know the letter T. It makes this sound.
Did you guys hear that? Mr. Lion, which letter makes that sound?
T. T sounds like this.
What do you think? Does the letter T make the S sound? Which letter makes the S sound? Try again, Mr. Lion. It's not a T.
Is it S?
Is it S? Yes, Mr. Lion. S makes the S sound. Good job, Mr. Lion. Thank you at home. Wait, so what sound does a T make? Does anybody at home know? What sound does a T make? Did anybody let Mr. Lion know? Did you hear that, Mr. Lion? A T sounds like this. Good job, guys. Thanks for helping. Let's see what's next for green time.
Bye, guys. Thanks for your help. I'll go home and practice some more. See ya.
See ya, Mr. Lion. See you. See what's next. Hello, children. This is the part of green time where we get to help Mr. Lion say the whole word. You know, Mr. Lion doesn't know the vowels as good as you do. He still needs a little help. So if you can help at home, you are doing something great. Thank you. All right, Mr. Lion, so we're just gonna get started. I'm going to ask you to say a word, okay, Mr. Lion? And your job is to say the whole word. Try to say all the sounds in the word, okay? These words are going to have a long vowel at the end of them. So listen very carefully, okay? Listen at home. Just in case he messes up, we can help him, all right? Here we go. Say the word lay. Lay. Ooh. Ooh, a. Ooh, a. The word is lay. Can you at home practice saying the sounds with me? What's the first sound you hear in that word? L. What's the last sound? A. L. A. L. A. The word is lay. Lay. Try it again, Mr. Lion. Lay. Yes! You got it. Let's try one more word. Say bee. Say bee, Mr. Lion. Oh, Mr. Lion, you forgot the E sound. E. E. The word is bee. Bee. Try again, Mr. Lion. Bee. Yes! You said it. Good job. You guys, thanks for helping Mr. Lion at home. Let's see what's next. Hello, children. It's time to do our finger play. So get your fingers ready. The title of this one is Bunnies Bedtime. Say it with me. Bunnies Bedtime. All right. I am going to start here at the first word. Do you know what this word says? My bunnies now must go to bed. The little mother rabbit said, but I will count them first to see if they have all come back to me. 1 bunny, 2 bunnies, 3 bunnies, dear, 4 bunnies, 5 bunnies. Yes, all are here. They are the prettiest things alive. My bunny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's see what's next. Hello, children. This is the part of greet time where we get to play the guessing game. You heard it. We are going to play the game where I show you the pictures and I'll put them on the board and I'll imagine a picture in my mind, and your job is to guess which picture I am thinking of. Now I'm going to give you some clues to help you out. So listen to the clues and think about what you remember about letters and what sounds the letters make. Let's start with the first picture. This is a picture of a zebra. Let's turn the picture over and look at the word. See the word zebra? What letter do you see first? Z. That's right. Zebra starts with the letter Z. All right. I am going to put zebra on the board. All right. Here's the next picture. This is a picture of a jug. Can you say that word? Say jug. What is the first letter in this word? J. J is the first letter in the word jug. G is the letter I hear at the end of the word. Jug. Last is a picture of a wagon. What's the first letter you see in the word wagon? W. Wagon starts with a W. Wagon. And I hear an N at the end of that word too. Wagon. All right. Now I have the pictures for our game. Are you ready for the fun part? I am going to think of a picture and I'm going to give you clues. If you think you know which picture I'm thinking of, go ahead and say it, okay? Here's the first clue. The picture that I'm thinking of is a picture of a toy. This toy has wheels and you can put things in it. It begins with the w sound, the W sound. Which picture am I thinking of? Did you say wagon? Ding, 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 ding. That's right. Wagon does start with a W sound, and it is a toy that has wheels and you can put things in it. Good work, guys. Let's try another one. The picture that I am thinking of now in my mind is a picture of, what am I thinking of? This thing can hold things like juice or water or milk. This thing begins with the letter J sound. Which picture am I thinking of? Jug? Did you say jug? Yes. Jug can hold things like liquid or really whatever can fit in there. And it starts with the J sound. Good job. What's the last picture left? Zebra. And zebra is an animal that has stripes on it. What sound do you hear first when you say the word zebra? Z sound, that's right. All right, guys, let's see what's next for green time. All right, children, it's time to grab your pre-decodable short book from your packet. Grab the book that's titled The Lamb and the Chick. The Lamb and the Chick. Once you have your book, you are going to turn to the first page and point to the first word and just wait. That means you are ready to read. So I'm going to wait until we all get ready to read. Remember, point to the first word when you're ready to read. Before we get started, I want to show you a picture that we've been practicing. The name for this picture is Farm. And you will see the same picture here. Here we go. Let's read. The farm. Good. Let's turn one page. Let's start on the left side. There are no words here, but I see pictures. What do you see? Picture of a cat, chicken or a hen or a rooster here. Looks like a rooster. A pail knocked over. Shoes. Let's move to the right side. What do we see here? A girl and a lamb. That's right. That's the picture of the lamb. Let's read our sentence. Point to the first word. I had. Had is our new word. Let's read it again. Start over. I had a lamb in the barn. Remember, this is the picture for barn. Barn. Good job. Turn to the next page. Start on the left side. Look at the picture. There's no words. I just see a girl, and look what she has in her hand. Remember, pictures give us a clue about what this sentence might say. Let's start with the first word. Let's read. I had a, what's this? Chick. That's right. I had a chick in my hand. In my hand. Let's keep reading. Last page. The farm. Good work, guys. You can practice this book again at home. Thank you for practicing your reading today. See you next time.